Hello, I'm Julien Adam, Energy Manager at SNCF Immobilier since 2016. Climate change is a fundamental part of our CSR strategy. This starts by increasing the proportion of rail travel in relation to road and air travel. A journey by regional express network emits up to 50 times less CO2 than the same journey by car, while a journey by high-speed rail emits up to 100 times less CO2 than the same journey by airplane. We are also working to reduce our total amount of CO2 emissions. The aim is to reduce transport emissions by 30% and building emissions by 50% by 2030, compared to 2015. This requires adapting railway infrastructure to accommodate extreme climate events and other challenges. This can be achieved by territorial cohesion, thanks to the development and maintenance of an extensive nationwide rail network and an exemplary ethic as a public company. Our real estate department has already created a network of energy transition experts for each region. We have begun monitoring and auditing our energy consumption in order to identify what needs to be done, bearing in mind that over the course of the next 10 years, we will have to spend hundreds of millions of euros on the energy transition of our assets. Data is a key asset for real estate portfolios like ours. We are talking about 25,000 buildings and 8 million square meters. We use data to choose the most relevant course of action, to identify energy-intensive sites, and to track our greenhouse gas reduction targets. We have been working with Deepki since 2015. At the time, the idea was to improve our database and streamline the process of rebilling our occupants. This partnership developed in 2019 when we implemented a much more comprehensive energy management platform. This platform was aimed to cover our entire portfolio and to be assessed by a larger number of SNCF employees dealing with CSR issues. Today, we have 450 users on the platform and 1,000 monthly connections. This reflects the increasing implication of our employees in the challenges relating to energy transition. Deepki provides us with a high-level vision of our consumption across our portfolio. It gives us precise insights for each building or delivery point. It allows us to monitor the broader objectives of our CSR strategy, while identifying unusual consumption or water leaks over the weekend, with the granular approach to monitoring energy-consuming facilities. Results include savings of 150,000 euros on bills each year. We also managed to gain visibility of 90% of our delivery points' consumption. We are now ready for the first phase of the tertiary decree in 2021. Today, we have an exhaustive vision of our consumption. We are now looking to increase savings and prioritize the work necessary in order to meet the objectives of both the tertiary decree and the SNCF's CO2 emissions reduction targets. We are extremely pleased with what we've achieved with Deepki. It really is a fascinating topic, and I can only recommend to companies that have not yet done so to set up a platform like Deepki.